GitLab is a version control on your server. It's open source software that you can use to manage your code and collaborate with colleagues. You can host your private repositories for free, either on your own server or by using GitLab.com, our free SaaS. To get an account on GitLab.com, type GitLab.com in your browser. You'll see our website, and in the top right there's a sign in button. So I'm going to create an account on GitLab. I use at the bottom I can sign in. So I have to give my name, my email address. Oops, I made a mistake. My email address goes here. This is my username. Pick something nice, but I don't want to take any good names because this is just for testing. And then the last thing is to set a password. Now I'm signed up, but what will happen is that they'll send a confirmation link to my email address. So next step, I'm going to check my email to see whether I get a confirmation link. Yeah, here it is, the confirmation instructions. I press the link there to confirm my account, and my account is now confirmed. We can proceed to the next step to create an SSH key. To create an SSH key, I go to my profile. It's here, my profile settings. Then in my profile settings, I'm going to select SSH keys. I don't have any SSH keys yet, so I'm going to add one. I don't know how to do it, so I can go to I can open the help page. I want a SSH key. So this gives me the instructions how to find how to create an SSH key. Normally you do this. On this machine I already have one, so I'm gonna follow this instruction to show it. I'm gonna switch to my terminal, and here I'm gonna paste that command that we just saw. Here's my SSH key. The nice thing is, even though you can see this, the key is still secure. So that's the awesome feature about SSH keys. I'm going to go back to GitLab. And here I paste the key. Already set the title for me. I'm going to add it. I already added to my account. I'm using the same key everywhere. In your case, this will work and you've added the SSH key. Cool. We're going to create a new project. I press the new project icon in the top right. I'm going to name the new project. You can also import projects from another service, or there's a very easy import from GitHub. In this case, I'm going to make my project private, and I'm going to do the hard work myself on my local machine. I'm going to create the project. Here are instructions how to create it, and I'm going to create the new repository, and I'm going to be very lazy by just copy-pasting all the commands. I'm in my terminal, I'm copy-pasting everything, and I'm giving it one extra enter. Now it created a project with an empty file, and it pushed it to the server. If I refresh this page, I should see my new project. Here it is. It's still an empty file, so I'm going to add something to it. I'm going to create a new branch. This is Git terminology to work together. You're on separate branches. So I'm going to create a branch, add more to README. There it is. I'm going to add something to the README. Let me save it. Now I'm going to see what changed. I'm going to do git status. I modified the README. I'm going to see what exactly changed. It's going to be this line. I'm going to add it. And now I'm going to commit it. With the M, I give a message. This message will later remind me why I did this. Now I'm going to push this feature branch. So I now push this branch, and when I switch back to GitLab and refresh, I'm gonna see an option in the activity stream. This option is create new merge request. And what this allows me to do is to collaborate with others on this change. For this change it's not needed because it's very small, but this is an example. So I'm going to say to my colleague, please merge this. And I'm going to assign it to Patricio. I can't assign it to anybody because I haven't invited anybody yet. Well, if you add more people to a project, you can assign it to people. But in this case, I'm going to work on my own. And here, it's really nice because if you're with multiple people, you can review your changes and you can discuss them. So you can be a bit negative or positive, or even give a thumbs up if you like it. And when somebody is convinced it's a good idea, they can accept your merge request. So now my code will be merged in, and it will show on the project dashboard. So we can show it's accepted, and we can show how it changed.